Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Explorer back seat. First, find the release lever, usually on the outer side of the seat near the bottom. Give it a firm pull to release the latch mechanism. Once disengaged, you can easily fold the seat back forward. This simple action provides extra cargo room or access to the third row, making your Explorer more versatile for any adventure. After releasing the lever, make sure no seat belts are trapped, as this can prevent the seat from folding correctly. Gently push the seat back down until it rests completely flat. You should feel or hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in the folded position. This creates a smooth, level surface, perfect for larger items or even a comfortable resting spot on long trips. To access the third row or maximize your cargo space, you might need to slide the entire second row seat forward. Look for a handle or strap on the front or side of the seat base. Pull this to release the track lock, allowing you to slide the seat forward. Repeat these steps for the other second row seat if you need full access or maximum storage capacity. Always double-check for any items or obstructions before folding your seats to prevent damage. When returning seats to their upright position, ensure they are securely latched for passenger safety. A clear click confirms they are locked. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.